Hi first grade students, this is Ms. Lopez. I'm going to teach you today how to copy and paste a picture to your PowerPoint presentation. First, you open Google Chrome, type the animal you chose. In this case, I'm going to choose lion pictures. You're going to click, enter. Click images. If you like more images, for example, I like this one, so you're gonna tap for a few seconds until you see this little window, and then you're gonna click on copy image, and then you are going to open your PowerPoint presentation. You are going to click on your PowerPoint presentation, and then you are going to choose the blank presentation, and then you're gonna tap with your finger for a few seconds until you see a little window that says paste. And then PowerPoint is going to show you different options. So you're going to choose, you can try different ones until you are satisfied with the results. Like if you like this one, you can click on it and put lions by, and then you write your name. In this case, I'm going to write my name, Saray Lopez, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed, and good luck.